Good morning. Boise Foot Trucking. Found some ducks hiding, but I tricked them into coming closer. Here you go, duckies. Here you go. There we go. Once a couple of them get up here, they're not too afraid. Here, do you want some? Here you go. Here you go. Ducks, ducks, ducks. They're so cute. A mommy and a baby playing right down here. I wish I could get a grain to mommy. There you go, mommy. Can you get that grain? Oh, here's some younger ducks. Oh, look at these. Here, do you want one? There's a peanut. I don't know if they can do a peanut. Oh, that baby is on the rock. Mom's taking advantage of it and chowing down. Oh, he jumped down. Oh, you want some more over here? Uh-oh, here's a goose. Here comes the gooses. First goose of the day. Here comes some more, and there you are, trucking down here. Hi, Mr. Junior Goose. You out exploring the new world? Here, Mr. Goose, do you want some? Here you go. Here you go, Mr. Goose. Want some more? Here, I think you can handle a peanut. I don't know if you can or not. Here. Ready? Here's some more geese right here. Hello, Mr. Geese. And then here comes some more gooses. These here look like teenage gooses, I would say. That one there, a little bit older, but not much. There's a whole bunch of gooses. Hey. There's a duck fight happening here. No, all the grain's going over here. Oh, here's a baby duck. He's smaller than the rest of them. Got a late bloomer there. Oh, these guys are so cute. Here, I'm running out of food. I'm going to have to make a quick exit. Okay, we're making an exit. Goodbye. Have a nice day, Mr. Ducks. Goodbye from Boise Foot Trucking. Enjoy the geese.